From the ornate salons of Paris to the sprawling palaces of Vienna, a new artistic language swept across Europe in the early 18th century, Rococo. Emerging in the wake of the grandeur and drama of the Baroque, Rococo ushered in an era of refined indulgence and playful elegance. Between 1720 and 1780, this captivating style flourished, transforming the artistic landscape with its whimsical charm and celebration of pleasure. Rococo art was more than just a style, it was a reflection of a changing society, particularly in France. As the French aristocracy sought refuge from the rigidity of court life at Versailles, they embraced a world of intimate gatherings, romantic intrigues, and leisurely pursuits. Rococo, with its emphasis on pleasure and frivolity, became the perfect artistic expression of this refined and indulgent lifestyle. The essence of Rococo lies in its unique blend of ornate details, playful themes, and a light, almost ethereal aesthetic. Unlike the grandeur and drama of the Baroque, Rococo embraced a more intimate and sensual approach. Paintings were characterized by soft pastel colors, delicate brush strokes, and an abundance of curves and flourishes. Intricate ornamentation, often inspired by nature, was another defining characteristic of Rococo, from swirling vines and delicate flowers to playful cherubs and mischievous monkeys. These decorative elements added a sense of whimsy and fantasy to the artwork. This emphasis on ornamentation extended beyond painting, influencing furniture, architecture, and even fashion. Rococo art was deeply intertwined with the lives and aspirations of the aristocracy. The idealized portrayals of aristocratic life, with their elegant gatherings, romantic escapades, and leisurely pursuits, offered a glimpse into the privileged world of the elite. These paintings were not meant to be realistic depictions of everyday life, but rather fantastical dreamscapes that celebrated the pursuit of pleasure and the refinement of aristocratic taste. Love, courtship, and romantic intrigue were recurring themes in Rococo art. Paintings often depicted couples in idyllic settings, their expressions conveying a sense of longing, desire, and playful flirtation. These romantic scenes, imbued with a sense of theatricality and lightheartedness, captured the essence of Rococo's celebration of pleasure and the complexities of human relationships. The Rococo period was not only about paintings and decor, but also about the theatricality of life itself. The aristocracy's fascination with drama and performance found its way into the art of the time. Costume balls, masquerades, and private theatricals were popular pastimes, and this love for the dramatic was vividly reflected in Rococo art. Artists like Watteau and Lancret captured the spirit of these theatrical events, portraying scenes filled with actors and actresses in elaborate costumes, often set against lush, fantastical backdrops. These paintings were more than mere depictions. They were windows into a world where the lines between reality and performance blurred. Theatricality in Rococo art extended to the use of light and shadow, creating a sense of movement and drama within the static medium. The interplay of light and dark added depth to the scenes, enhancing the emotional impact and drawing viewers into the narrative. This scene of artistic drama and theatrical elegance added another layer to the Rococo's celebration of beauty and pleasure, illustrating the era's love for storytelling and its fascination with the art of performance.